If you've tried any of these exercises because they looked effective on your feed, this video is going to save you a lot of wasted sets. I'm not going to tell you they're dangerous or stupid. I'm going to show you exactly why they underdeliver on hypertrophy and what to do instead. Alternating standing dumbbell fly. Standing kills this exercise before you even start. In a fly, the pec's job is to adduct the arm across the body. That's horizontal movement. When you're standing, gravity is pulling straight down, which means the resistance doesn't match the movement at all. You get almost no load through the stretch position, which is where the fly actually earns its place in a program. Alternating makes it worse. Each side is resting while the other works. Do a cable fly or a pec deck instead. Lying or seated, consistent tension through the full range. 1 dumbbell incline press, both hands. 2 hands on 1 dumbbell is a stability problem dressed up as a training variation. Your wrists are fighting each other for position. You can't load it progressively without it becoming a balance act, and the range of motion is worse than a standard press. There's no mechanical advantage here, just novelty. Use 2 dumbbells, load them properly, add weight when you can. Lying floor dumbbell hack press. The pec produces its best force output at the bottom of a press, the fully lengthened position. The floor eliminates that entirely. You're starting each rep from a dead stop with the most productive part of the range of motion already blocked. If the floor is your only option, fine, train around it, but don't mistake a constraint for a technique. A flat dumbbell press on a bench or even a chest-supported variation will outperform this every time. Lying floor reverse grip dumbbell press. Same floor limitation, no stretch. Now add a reversed grip which rotates the humerus and theoretically shifts emphasis to the clavicular head. Theoretically. The actual upper pec fiber recruitment difference is marginal, and you're introducing significant wrist and elbow stress to get it. That's a poor trade-off. If upper chest development is the goal, adjusting your bench to 30 to 45 degrees and pressing normally will do far more with far less joint risk. Cable crossover fly into close grip press. Hybrid movements sound efficient. In practice, you're doing neither movement well. The fly phase suffers because you're not set up to finish it. You're already thinking about the press. The press phase suffers because your position is already compromised from the crossover. You end up with half a fly and half a press, neither of which gets you close to failure on the target muscle. If you want a fly and a press, do a fly and a press as separate sets. Lying dumbbell press with feet raised. Raising your feet removes your base of support. Your nervous system responds to instability by dialing back force output. It's a protective mechanism. So you press less, you recruit less, you grow less. People assume instability creates more demand on the muscle. What it actually creates is more demand on your ability to stay balanced, at the expense of how hard you can push. Feet flat on the floor. Leg drive. Press through the set. Every one of these exercises compromises at least one of those 3 things. The chest isn't impressed by creativity. It responds to tension, stretch, and progressive overload. Keep your exercise selections simple enough that you can actually get better at it week to week. That's the filter. Apply it before you try anything you see online.